Hi, I'm James Wiebe with CRU. Today I want to show you some of the administration capabilities of the Ditto Forensic Workstation from Wiebe. I'm on a Ditto right now. It's attached to this computer and I'm on the home screen. From there I'm going to jump over to admin, and I see right now that this particular Ditto is set up for two users. One is the admin or administrator, and the administrator has been given full rights to everything that you can do with the Ditto. A second user called panel has been set up, which is the front panel of the unit. Although it doesn't have full rights, this particular front panel has many rights. We find that for some of our users they may want to eliminate the front panel entirely as a user. In other words, it's just a power switch. But for others, they want to be able to control it. In any case, we're going to click on the user known as panel, and from there we're going to make a few quick changes to it just to demonstrate what it is that we can do. This particular panel has been set up to allow cloning, imaging, erasing, hashing, snapshots, net views, and so forth. But in this particular situation, we are going to set it up so that the front panel does not have any capabilities to do anything on the web. They can only use hard drives. So we've turned off snapshot, we've left snapshot on, we've turned off net view, we've left clone and image in place. We don't want them to be able to erase drives. So now all they can do is clones and images, hashes and snapshots and so forth. Also, we're going to turn off their capability to do configurations. Having made this decision, we can commit the edits, and at this point we see that the Ditto itself has changed. Even as we applied these changes at the GUI, the Ditto itself is well aware of the changes. If we go back over to the Ditto now and play with the buttons, we can see that right away. From the settings, disk info, perform actions, select, and we scroll through that, we see on the actions you can clone, we can image, we can clone an image, we can hash, we can snapshot, but the other stuff that we talked about has disappeared. Now we're going to back up and take a look at some of the settings functions, and we'll see how they've changed as well. So you see there right on the screen that the image type is E01, and the panel does not have the capability of changing the image type. The Ditto, its performance, its characteristics have changed. It's following what we told it to do on permissions. Back to the GUI now. We're going to add a user. And the user that we're going to add, we're going to give this user the name of Walker. Full name is going to be C. Walker. Password, I gave it the password of admin, and I'm going to give this particular user, he is a full-fledged investigator, so we're going to give him the capabilities of doing everything. And we now have a list of users that includes the administrator, the front panel, and our new investigator who goes by Walker, and Walker has been given full permission to use Ditto. This shows how easy it is to set up users with Ditto. You can have multiple users using Ditto at the same time. This is important to our customers. They want to be able to change and add users, and you can do it with Ditto.